Sometimes within your application, you'll have a comment or some record that you want to delete. However, you may run into situations where you did not mean to delete that item, or a user did not mean to delete it. However, now it's gone and it's removed from the database. There's a great gem that we can use called Paranoia, which will allow us to undelete items because it does a soft delete. And it does that by adding a deleted at column into your table, where it can then see when it was deleted. You can pull those records and even undelete them. To get started, go into your gem file and add the Paranoia gem. Be sure to run bundle and restart your Rails application. You'll then want to create a migration to your comments table in your database. So what we'll do here is just call Rails generate migration. Then we're just giving this string here. And then deleted at is the column that we're adding, and it's a type of date time, and we are going to index this column. Once you do that, you can run rakedb migrate. This will create the new column in your database. You'll then want to go into your comments model and then just add in the line access paranoid. And this will allow the comment, whenever automatically it is deleted, it'll not be truly deleted, but instead it'll be a soft delete with populating that date timestamp. So let's say now we want to restore this comment. However, we cannot just call our comment.last.restore, and because this is our last record, you would think that it would pick that. However, what happens is it actually picked the second one, because this second record really is the last record as far as ActiveRecord is concerned, because it ignores the deleted ones. So if we run comment.all.size, we would actually see that there's 2 records instead of the actual 3. Now there is a with deleted comment that method that we can run. So we do with deleted all.size. Now you'll see the true 3 records that we actually have. So if we call comment with deleted restore, and we do want to select the last record, then you'll see that it restores the last one. So if we run our comments again, you'll now see that we have restored that last comment. And if we want to really delete that comment, we can call comment.last.really_destroy ! And this will really destroy that record. So now if we do the comments, it's completely gone, and there's no way of getting that back. So let's say we want to put a deleted comment section down here so we can see all the comments that have been deleted that were associated to this user. So what I'm going to do is just copy out this panel here that we have where we're listing out our comments, and I'm gonna put in the deleted comments for our title, and instead of just having @user.comments.each to loop through our user's comments, I'm going to do @user.comments.onlyDeleted, and then this should only return the deleted comments, even though we're still referencing the same association here. So going back to our application, we can just refresh our page, and now we see our deleted comments, and this comment is deleted. So how about we add a restore button here? So instead of, it doesn't make sense to delete this comment again, but maybe we can add a really delete and then also a restore option, so it'll put this comment back up to the top. So there's a couple ways we can do this. We could create a really destroy action that would really destroy that record. However, I really don't like that because that's just adding more actions into your controller than what's really necessary. However, what we could do is we could pass in an additional parameter that if it is deleted, then we can pass in a parameter, and we can then just filter off if it should be deleted or really deleted. So let's say if we add if params type equals normal, then we can do our comment destroy. Then else if params type and forever. Then we can do our really destroy. So let's try passing in a params type of normal or forever. Back in our show, under the really delete, we can then pass in just another simple parameter for type, and then forever. Then here we need to also make sure that we're passing in the type normal. And back in our controller, one thing that we're going to have to do is when we're doing this set comment, we're going to have to call the with deleted here. However, we wouldn't want to always do this when we're just talking about destroying the comment. So in a situation like this, we may just copy out this code here and then remove that callback, so we're not returning extra fields from our database if not necessary. So up here, then I'll just get rid of this only destroy, and it will now only call that set comment on the show. So now going back to our application, this comment should be deleted. We can now try clicking really deleted, and now it has been completely destroyed. For the second time, I'm just going to tap into our deleted action for our undelete. So I'm going to just clone this line and just call undelete. And the type, I'm going to say undelete. Back in our controller, I can just call this else if, and then if it's undelete, we then call restore. And don't do this in production or in your own code. I'm just doing this to save a bit of time here. So be sure to check out the documentation for being able to do some scopes, and then also about the indexes and how you should modify your indexes, and then also the possible callbacks that you get in case if you need them. Well, that's it for this episode. Thank you for watching.